Yo dudes, today's agenda, get these S2000 arms shortened. Plan is to just pretty much take out this section here, just take out a full inch, and maybe do something up here with these threads. Not sure yet, but yeah, we're at least gonna cut these in half, squish them down. But before we do that, I'm gonna go witness something very gnarly. There's this high school up the road. It's got like a 12 stair handrail, I think. It might be more, like 15 stairs, I don't know. It's pretty gnarly. Landing sketchy, it's gnarly. But got word this kid's gonna try and feeble down it. And I've literally been skating longer than he's been alive. So yeah, it's gonna be gnarly. So I'm gonna try, I got my camera with me today. I'm gonna try and shoot that. Hopefully get a clip of my phone too. And yeah, then come back and do actual shack things, but too gnarly to not witness this. What's up? Pretty good. Woo. Yeah, I was a little off in my counting. It's actually a 17. Pretty low rail, but still sketchy landing. And he's doing it with the fucking gate closed, so there's like no run up. Yeah, that was lame. Kid ghosted us, but oh well. I beat his homie in a game of skate. But now we're back at the shack. So yeah, I'm gonna take inch out of these guys, weld them up.
So much better.
Woo! We're good.
Trust this fucking torque wrench. Ooh. Can't sit like that, so
Yo.
big old dummy. So well, woo. Let's get this. When I do,
I fuck it up.
It's hard. Cool beans.
Beautiful.
Nothing like those eBay specials. Fucking Clutch Max. Sick, bro.
That's what it's called, Clutch Max?
It's just the brand, yeah. It's like tight buttholes.
Yeah.
I think I can just slide the other one straight in there.
I think so.
Oh yeah, this don't fit. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I mean,
I see.
like that's not. Well, that's supposed to go right there, isn't it? It goes right there. Yeah, if you want to try and keep that where it's supposed to go, and then this.
Beautiful. First step to the all-wheel drive EK build.
Yes, sir. Some motivation. Had to slap that on there too.
Oh yeah.
The build finally deserves it.
Give me some light.
Let's go. Oh shit.
Yes.
Make sure push the limits.
Yeah, I'm so fucking excited for this.